Well, do you have 60 seconds to spare? That minute could actually save your life or the life of a loved one.
So here to tell us all about the American Diabetes Association's annual Alert Day and how you can take part is Lisa Edwards, director of the association's Kentucky office, and Lisa Bellafato with Passport Health Plan. Welcome, ladies. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
So what is it that we need to know?
Well, I'll let you start.
Okay.
No, you go ahead.
All right. Well, Diabetes Alert Day is basically a one-day wake-up call that aims at getting as many people as we can to take our type 2 diabetes risk test.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people might not realize, but before you develop type 2 diabetes, almost everyone has prediabetes. However, 90% of the people that have prediabetes don't even realize that they have it. So it's crucial for them to understand like what their risks are so that we can, you know, make action plans to reverse those risks.
And when we do that, and sometimes with diet, exercise can do those kind of things, it helps reduce our healthcare costs, doesn't it?
It sure does. At Passport Health Plan, we provide health insurance for people who qualify for Medicaid, and our mission is to help improve the quality of life of all Kentuckians and our members. So it's a natural fit for us to partner with the American Diabetes Association because diabetes is a huge concern for Kentucky. We have over 600,000 Kentuckians who have diabetes. About over 200,000 are undiagnosed, and then 1.2 million people have prediabetes. And that's the piece as a health educator that we know we can go in and help them really change the needle on that with a plan with their doctors, diet and exercise, and knowing their numbers. The first step is to know if you're at risk for it, and they can make some changes to really delay or prevent type 2 diabetes.
You guys have developed a series of questions that folks should know and answer that they can see if they're at risk, right?
Right, definitely. So it's a real easy risk test, and you can download it online at our website, diabetes.org/alertdayky. But I mean, the questions really are focused around your age, your weight. Do you have an immediate family member that has diabetes? Do you have high blood pressure? Have you ever been diagnosed with gestational diabetes? There are a few of those questions. So you simply answer these 7 questions. If you score 5 or higher, then you are considered at risk for diabetes. And what's important to think from there is when you go to see your doctor, you need to ask them to do tests to identify if you have prediabetes or diabetes.
And that would be just the finger stick, right?
Yes, the blood glucose test, and then there's also A1C test that will determine if they have prediabetes or diabetes. But currently statistics show that there's only about half physicians that regularly do prediabetes screening. So I think it's very important for people to really, you know, understand their risk and ask when they are at the doctor.
And know those numbers.
Exactly.
All right, so again, if you'd like to learn more information, you can just log on to diabetes.org. Ladies, thanks for coming in.
Thank you for
Anything else you want to ask?
One other quick thing. Actually, our friends with Kroger will have the diabetes risk test at all locations throughout Kentucky, and we're also doing some screenings with Walmart on March 28th from 10 to 2 at the New Circle Road and Nicholasville locations where people can be screened as well.
Very cool. Thank you for sharing that. Hang out real quickly because we've got something else we want to let people know.
Yeah, so Kentuckians will soon be allowed to buy voluntary travel IDs to replace their